Hi everyone. Today we will present our group project presentation as part of our requirement in CP 122 Discrete Mathematics under the supervision of our instructor Professor Ronel Belen Caldo. So our topics for project presentation or group project presentation, we name it as Principal Conjunctive and Disjunctive Normal Form Calculator. So just familiar with our group members, Agustin, Almario, Driz, Gayoba, and yours truly, Paciente. So our presentation with use of calculators, you can see here the calculator in the illustration. And of course, as you can use the calculator, you can see the result screen as what you have learned in our truth table. So to recall that, or to recall our lessons, so just refresh ourselves with the use of variables in the terms of logical, sets, and boolean. So these are the variables we use: P, Q, R, A, B, C, X, Y, Z. And in the operation, as you see the symbols of conjunction, disjunctions, and negation. So other symbols we have here in boolean, just like in the operation of multiplication, addition, and something like that. So in special elements, we have F and T represents as false, true, and others the use of bits or the value of 0 and 1. So again, this is the main topic that we're going to apply later in our calculator. So the word conjunction, disjunctions, and negation. So just be familiar with the symbols of P and Q. P or Q, and not P or it is false that P. So that's the discussion of our topics later in our PCNF and PDNF. So what do you mean by PCNF and PDNF? So PNF and PCNF and PDNF represent as principal conjunctive normal form, and PDNF represent principal disjunctive normal form. So what's the use of this term or value? So you can see the given examples. So here there are three groups of function. So just like A or B, B or C, and A or C. These are the three group of disjunction. And we could write here the conjunction of the disjunction in between of the groups of disjunction. And just like in the same in PD and F. Okay, you could see that in our next slides. So here's the three groups, and the opposite of disjunction is the conjunction. So in between of these three groups. Okay, so that's the use of principal conjunctive and disjunctive normal form calculator. So let's proceed now with the programs. So in our programs, we use the program language that is C# and Visual Studio. So in our programs, we decode this one with the truth tables or truth columns, formulas, and converters. So let's start to run this program. It's reading. Just check yes. And will appear here the calculator input screen. So we could put here in the side, hide this one. So we can start now our proposition just like the examples I had a while ago. So we have here A or B, then click go, and here it appears the truth table. And aside from that, you could see the equivalence. Just like the proposition, just like equal or similarity to the equivalence we have in the given proposition. So with the use of PDNF and PCNF. So let's try another one. A and B. Then click and see the result in our screen. See the difference? A or B, A and B. And this is the equivalence of PDNF of A or B, and the equivalent the same or the equivalence of A or B in PCNF. Just like the same in A and B. So the PDNF and PCNF. So next, let's try another examples as what we have here in the use of PDNF and PCNF. So the opposite of the symbols conjunction and disjunction. So let's try here another examples. So the three groups as we have here in the given examples a while ago. A or B, then in between conjunction, then next group A or C conjunction, then the last one we have B or C, then run. Okay, see the examples of truth table, and of course the equivalence of this value of using the PDNF and PCNF. Okay, so that's all for our group presentation. So what you need to do, just like and subscribe with our video presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.